Hey guys, Matty here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're just out here at Coomera today taking a look at a block shower. So we'll just show you exactly what it looks like. We're just running a test at the moment. As you can see, it's draining very poorly at the moment. So we'll show you the process that we go through to get that clear and tested. There we go, put a bit of seal on it. We'll go again. Alright. So that is our Milwaukee drain cleaner. We'll go and test it now. Alright, so we've completed using the drain cleaning equipment. As you can see, we're just running the shower to test the drain. I'll give you a better shot. That water was rising quite quickly before. Been running this for a few minutes now, and as you can see, it's draining as it should. Job done. All right guys, so we're all done here. The shower has been tested. Customers super happy. So if you have any issues with slow drains, give us a call. Happy to help.
Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.